the frozen ones. He wants me to grater it. And the you know, the homemade one, so that's what we're doing. So I just do it on the side that let me show you. So you get sort of like the strips. This is what it looks like. You sort of get like the strips. So it would be the back side. So you know, you have the fine side. I do it on this side. So that's done. I just did like 4. And then now what I'm just going to do is to just add a little seasoning to it. Not too much. We're not gonna go crazy with the seasoning with this. Okay. So, okay, my hands off. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Alright guys, so I have a fork. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a little onion powder. A little all-purpose seasoning. Remember, I'm not at home, guys. If you're wondering why I'm getting this stuff out of a Ziploc bag. A little black pepper, guys. And a little salt. Is it okay? Wow, guys, sorry about that.
I saw it going down. Couldn't do anything.
Just, let me put it. So I just did that. Fixing the foot. No, I did that fixing the foot. Too close. I don't know why it's so close up. Like it's zoomed in or something. Yeah, oh my, yeah, it's zoomed in. Let's see even on this.